What's up, guys? It's Wadz with the What's Up channel. How you guys doing? Today we're doing more overlanding stuff and we're getting ready to go overlanding. Now, I've got the bike in the back of the truck here just to show you guys that when I put the rooftop tent on there, it's not going to fit with the bike in the truck. So a lot of you guys are probably wondering, how are you going to carry that bike in the back of this truck if you've got a tent on top? Today I'm going to share with you a rack for the back of the truck that I picked out by Discount Ramps. It's called the Black Widow. Now, I did a little bit of research on the web trying to find something that's nice and burly and strong for overlanding and off-roading. Now, it's not an easy task. This thing has a capacity up to 600 pounds. It's all steel. I've had one of the ramps before and I was really impressed with that. So I had some good success with that. So I thought I'd return to them and go with a bumper mounted motorcycle carrier. So, and they all say they're easy to assemble. Everybody says everything's easy to assemble. Let's be the judge of that. All right, I'll put on my smart glasses. There's literally only 5 steps to install this. Nice finish, nice hardware. So the first thing we need to do is attach the hitch tube, and we got to attach it to the carrier frame. So they've provided you with this wheel chock here, and that goes on the front of the carrier. Everything's 17 mil, so you don't need a bunch of tools. Super simple. So that stops the front tire, and that's where the tire sits. Okay. Making progress. This is our hook tube. I love how they attach all the corresponding bolts to the parts. So I hate having to go to the index and finding out which exact corresponding bolt or nut goes where. It drives me nuts. So the usable rack size is 78.7 long and 8 inches wide. All right, let's give you guys a little demo on the first load. These 2 metal pieces hook right into the frame here. That's quick and easy. Up she goes. Just using these Cycra Racing straps. Easy boy. And you got 4 of them, so you can get the front all cinched up. The guys use those fork savers here, so I'd recommend putting some fork savers. It's basically a plastic little shim that goes in there. Saves your forks, the seals on your forks. So we got lots of clearance on the back of the truck. It's all compromises of how you want to do your setup. Sometimes when I am not carrying the rooftop tent, I'll put the bike in the back, right? But if I am going overlanding and I've got the tent on top, I don't have the kind of clearance that I need. So I've got to carry the bike on the back. If that ever becomes a problem, if I can get a setup that will hold a 175-pound tent on top of the truck, we'll look at that. We're gonna try this for a while and see how, how that works out. Of course, we're gonna have departure angle challenges when we get into really gnarly stuff. But, that's not what this truck is intended for. It's not a rock crawler, but we're still gonna get into some interesting spots. Absolutely. As far as we can get, right? As much as the truck will take, we're gonna take it to. So, but there is a compromise there. When we wanna get a little further, well, that's what the bike's for. I'll leave the link so you can check out the specs, the cost, and how to find out more and how to order it. And that's about it. But all in all, it's a sturdy product, well built. Hope you enjoyed our install and review of this motorcycle carrier by Black Widow and Discount Ramps. If you have any questions, give me a holla. And thanks for watching our overland build and accessorizing the F-150 for a ton of adventure to come. So stick around. And if you haven't subscribed already, smash that subscribe button and consider joining the madness. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace.